Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. Today we are going to do the chapter Political Science and highlighting each and every point of it. Let's see what is our topic today. A government has an option in a case of war. You know that is important. A government has an option in the case of war. Basically, a government has a three option in case of war. That is a three option here. First of all, here to a surrender. First of all, here surrender. The surrender is important here. And the concepting. Second point here, concepted their other sides demand without a weighing war or giving indication of increasing the damage and causing by the war to the such on the extent that other side gets scattered and resist for the attacking or if war a break out and they protect itself so that is attacking country can be achieved. It is a objective unable to succeed and a threat here. That's important. There is important here. Second point, there is a concept. There's a other sides are demanded without a waging war or giving indication of increasing the damage causing by the war to such extent that the other side is get scattered and the resist from attacking or if war or break out there protect itself so that as attacking country and can achieve its objective here. That's important. And let's see the third point here.